fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a painted canvas clutch using SoSoft fabric paints from DecoArt and my gel press. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a painted clutch. Make sure to check out gelpress.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out all of their new amazing products. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.